Hey Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing this look with the new Smokey Glam palette from Beaute Bar. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so Beaute Bar sent over the Smokey Glam palette, and I'm going to start out with the LO2 brush in the shade Smoked Out, and I'm going to start to put that on the outer V of my eye and take it all the way through the crease towards that inner corner of my crease area, just packing that down. And I wanted something really smoky, and because, you know, Smokey Glam, and I was really excited about this color story because I feel like it's so pretty. So I'm doing back and forth windshield wipe motions, not really focusing on it being precise right now. I'm going to blend that out with Icon with the same brush. I just cleaned it off. This shade is such a pretty shade. It kind of reminds me of like rosebuds. I don't know. I just felt like this would be a nice color combination. Have it kind of a smoky pink but kind of purple. And now I'm just going to start to take that around each area of my eye and start to soften up the blend. With the LO3 brush from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, I'm taking the shade Cuddles, and I'm starting to diffuse all that because this was a kind of lighter pink shade, and I felt like it was really pretty, especially because I was going to use the white shade to blend it out. I was like, oh, perfect. So back and forth windshield wipe motions with the lightest amount of pressure. You only want it to feel like a tickle. With the LO3 brush, I'm taking the shade Lace, and I'm just going to soften this blend up. And then I'm going to go back in and touch all the shades up because, as I always say, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. And for the most part, I do enjoy using a white matte to blend out shades just because I feel like it really makes it more melted into the skin more seamlessly. With the LO2 brush, I'm going to take a little bit more of Icon just to bring it back because, like I said, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. Now, here's where I'm going to try to keep it more precise, and if it gets on my lid, it's okay because I'm going to go in with micellar water on a Q-tip and my base to get that cleaned up and carved out here in a little bit. With the same brush, I'm taking a little bit more of Smoked Out, and I'm just kind of patting that on to where I already had it, and then kind of towards the edge to get it more blended with the other shades. I'm using very light pressure here, doing back and forth windshield wipe motions. I feel like these are such beautiful shades together, though. I love a smoky eye. With the LO3 brush, I'm taking more of Cuddles and just bringing that back a little bit, making it more blended in with the white shade, and I feel like that just makes it a more seamless blend. If y'all are down, I can film some swatches and just do like a swatch video for this palette if you want. Just let me know. Now I'm taking the LO4 brush and more of Icon, and I really like, out of the shades that I used for this, I think I'm obsessed with this one. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to do more looks with this palette. Let me know if you want me to do any more and what kind of looks you'd like to see with it. With the same brush just cleaned off, I'm taking more Cuddles, and like I always feel like I say a million times, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. It's the key to a nice, powerful, pigmented blend. Now I'm taking some more of Lace on the LO3 brush just to make sure everything is nice and diffused. I'm doing back and forth windshield wipe motions. Very gently. And now I'm taking some micellar water on a Q-tip to go ahead and start to clean off my lid, clean out my crease, and then I'm going to carve it out with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas in Fair. I feel like for carving out my crease, a thin concealer brush is like key to helping me get it like nice and sharp and precise. So use whatever brush you want, but I feel like this one helps. I also feel like using the micellar water beforehand just helps to make everything less muddy and more, I guess, like clean and a little more intense. With the LO2 brush, I'm taking a little bit more of Smoked Out, and I'm just popping that on the edge of that base to kind of get it more blended. And then I'm going to add a sparkle that caught my eye from the second that I laid eyes on it. But first, I'm taking a little bit of my face powder on the LO6 brush just to get that base set. Now I'm using the shade Silk Teddy, and oh my goodness, it just looked so shifty and sparkly that I could not resist. I was like, I want to use multiple sparkles, but I feel like I want to give this one its moment to shine, just because it caught my eye. So now I'm switching over to the Doe Color number 14 brush, and I'm going to apply that closer to the crease. That way I don't get it on the blend. So I'm going to be going back and forth between my finger and the brush. Look at how dreamy that sparkle is. Oh my goodness, my camera is not doing it justice. With the LO2 brush, I'm taking a little bit more of Smoked Out and just patting that along the edge of the sparkles. That way it's blended together and there isn't very much of a harsh line. The sparkle had me floored. Alright, I'm gonna go to the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I like it. The pearls were like a last second decision. I'm sorry. I was like, I'm gonna kind of keep it just how it was. And I was like, I need a little something something because a bit a little extra. These are from Diverne Cosmetics. They're so cute. So, of course, I was like, yes, let me use that. Add a little extra. Now, this palette will be available tomorrow, May the 5th. And I'm sorry, I'm looking down, I'm reading just to make sure that I get everything right because the last couple times that I've done anything, my brain has just been so jumbled that I've forgotten. So this palette is a smaller version of the original. It's down from 36 pans to 20. And there are 5 multi-chrome shimmers, 4 existing duochrome shimmers that have been improved so that there are more sparkles and shine. There is 1 holochrome. The palette will be $75, but the pricing is in line with the current 20 pan palettes from Beaute Bar. I am so very thankful to have received this. I love the color story because I love the more like purple hues, the plumminess and the smokiness, because I love a smoky eye so much. So this, like, I feel like this would be a perfect palette for like every day or date night, any special occasion, weddings, etc., like anything like that. I just cannot get over like how pretty, and I'm so excited to do more looks, and I'm really sorry that this one isn't more extravagant. This just came in today, and today is Friday the 2nd, and I want to have this up on Sunday just because I'm like, I want to try to get back into having YouTube videos regularly, and that just kind of wants up. So I think that this is an absolutely beautiful palette, and of course the formula is amazing. I just love everything that I've tried from Beaute Bar. Beaute Bar's formula is so good. Their shimmers are so pretty, so sparkly, intense, drool worthy, just dreamy, and they're matte. I love the formula. I love how buttery they are. I love how pigmented they are. I love how easily they blend out. They're just top notch. So with saying that, I do want to say a huge thank you so much to Beaute Bar for sending this my way. I love it so much. I'm super excited to create some more looks. I have some ideas. I've been trying to brainstorm different ideas while I was doing my makeup because I'm like, I need to use this like a lot because I love the colors, and the packaging is just so cute. I love how it's got like the little smoke in the back, and it's got the rainbow like shiftiness to it. It's so cute. So thank you so much, Bella Beaute Bar, for sending this to me. I hope you like the look, and I'm so excited to do more looks very soon. Okay, I don't want to ramble too much, but I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you like the look. Please do let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comments below. If you'd like to keep up my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, then I'll have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, then please hit the subscribe button. It'll mean so much to me, and I can't thank you enough. And if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, because I heard it helps push my video out in the algorithm. So if you give it a thumbs up, then thank you. Also, if you want to be notified of any time that I upload, then please hit that notification button. I've heard that that's supposed to help push my videos out as well. So if you do any of that, then thank you so much. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!